Hey friends, if you wish to start, stop, or restart a service in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So, search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services window. Let us say that we want to access this service, the AMD Crash Defender service. So, right click on it, and to stop it, you can click on stop. Okay, to restart it, you can click on start, or you can go to properties and then change it to manual, and then you can start it. Click on apply and then on OK. And again, to restart it, the procedure is just this thing: right click on it and select restart. Or just click on start if it is not started. Okay, I'll show it in this one. This is a service which is already started, so I'll simply click on restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.